Hey all my traveler souls. So today's video is going to be super special because you guys know I'm already a part of the Bling Bag family. So this is going to be their May unboxing edition, and also because this edition is a travel mania, because they have dedicated this to all the travelers, all the wanderers soul out there like myself. So this is going to be really special because I'm also going to be talking about some of my tips and tricks and hacks that I do to dress up, do my makeup, or travel light, which according to me is very important. So this is how the box looks, really cutesy, flowery, pink box. They have mentioned a little bit about the products, and they say what comes with it. Like, you know, every Bling bag comes with its own clutch or purse. I really like this traveler edition purse because it'll hold so many cards, your mobile phone, and some quick cash. So I think this is going to be really handy. And I like the black color, the leather feels good too. Now comes the important part, the baubles, the jewelry in it. So the first one that I'm going to be reaching out to is this beautiful ring. Now this is an ideal black stone statement rings, and I really prefer statement rings over chunky accessories like heavy necklaces or earrings, because two things, you know, you can wear them as is, and even if you give the earrings and heavy necklaces a miss, you're still fine, you still are in their boho traveler zone. And another thing that I personally like when I'm traveling is I have these small chutku cutesy so many rings that I like to stack them up, or wear the statement rings, chunky rings as is, or mix and match with the small rings that I have, and it looks kick ass. Just throw over a plain shirt, tuck it in halfway, and you're going to look gangster. Next up is these cute little Arabia designer studs. I'm going to quickly put these on. They are so cute. Firstly, I'm all for geometric designs and geometrical cuts and styles when it comes to wearing accessories on the go, especially on your travels. And this really takes me back a little bit, cut to 2 months back when I was part of the New York Fashion Week. I was interviewed by Team Amazon USA as I was one of the best dressed street style people on day 2. And they asked me one of the trends. Now this is telepathic, okay? Like, I'm surprised the Bling bag has got it bang on, so right on the point. And it's really a personal tip that I'm sharing with you all. So while I was being interviewed, they asked me that sassy shifts, which is the one trend that is close to your heart and you think you want to see more of it in the coming months of 2018. And just like that, you know what, I said I love bold colors, bold statement pieces, and I would love to see the merger of two metallics, which is silver and gold, and this is exactly what it is. They've mixed beautifully two of these favorite metals of mine. Next up are these really cute green tassel earrings. They are so super light. They are big, yet they are light. So this is another really important thing for me. If my jewelry feels too chunky or too big, weight issues, teeny, you cannot carry it. Especially for me, who's always like, you know, living from weighing one luggage to the other. I'm practically like dying from inside to get that squeeze, that one little tube of toothpaste inside or whatever. So for me, trust me when I'm traveling, and if you're as crazy as me, then trust me, even that 2-3 grams extra is going to matter. So choose light jewelry, and this is really light. Now these grease tassel earrings have a really cute bauble in between, and the best part, the crystals on the side at the bottom, like a curvature that you see, they've got like a really soothing greenish hue to it. So I find that really elegant and classy, and these are going to be your go-to party numbers for sure when you're traveling. Because this is a traveler's mania and traveler edition Bling bag, and they are bringing out baubles and pieces dedicated to different places in the world so that you get to travel and you're inspired to travel, be a wanderer. The last piece that I have from my Bling bag is called the Rome Statement necklace, and it is so pretty, a double layered necklace. What I really like about it is the red raisin and black crystals They go so harmoniously, and I feel that this screams summer. I would personally pair this up with floral dresses or pastel dresses, and it'll look absolutely amazing. Now that you saw what was in my May Bling Bag Traveler Mania edition, I'm going to give you 5 quick tips, personal tips, tried and tested tips, because last 4 months was a roller coaster for both me and Salman. We've been from one end of the planet to the other, and I wish that continues. I hope that continues. So here are my personal 5 tried and tested tips for all the fashionistas, travelers out there. Number 1, pack light. So when it comes to your chunky accessories, you know, you have accessories like not metal, but you can shift it up with like paper jewelry, or you can shift it up with plastic jewelry, so that you save up the weight, yet they look chunky and they look big, so that you pack light. Second most important thing for me is carry at least one leather jacket or any one black jacket. There are endless possibilities of how you can style it up. Whether if it's a summer holiday, just throw it up, you know, keep it on around your arm for the pictures to give it a nice look, or you can just tie it up on the side or on your waist and add a complete different look to your same outfit, especially because you're going to be traveling in one day to 4 or 5 locations, if not more, and you don't want to be seen in the same outfit. Traveler tip number 3, and very important one, is always keep a facial spray hands on in my bag, purse, backpack, whatever the hell I'm carrying, because if you're wearing makeup like me, or even if you're just out with a sunscreen, your skin feels dehydrated, and if you don't forget to drink water, then how can you forget to not quench the thirst of your skin, right? So remember, it's very important. You'll thank me later, your skin will thank you later. Traveler tip number 4 is I always like to keep one additional pair of shoe on hands-on in my backpack. Whether say I'm wearing shoes or sneakers for the day, I like to keep a pair of block heels or heels in my backpack on me at all the times, because you never know, you might go from beaches to hills or castles or anything in between, and these simple things like a pair of shoe, a pair of accessory, a pair of jacket changes up your look completely, and your stance, your body posture, your pictures look completely different. So this is something I recommend you guys do, all the fashionistas, travelers out there. So the last tip from me is that you should always have one pouch, one clutch, one purse, where you can keep all your mobile, passports, your credit cards, everything, your cash in one place, because when you're going to be leaving your hotel or your friend's place, these are things that you need at one particular place. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did. This was a really special travelers edition where I got to combine 2 of my favorite things to do in the world, which is 1, traveling, and 2, accessorizing. So I hope you guys had a gala time, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. I'm going to be linking the Bling Bags page here somewhere in the description box, so that you guys can check it out, and don't forget to use the code, which gives you a complete 5% off on your purchase. I love you guys. Keep traveling. Stay a wanderer.